All right, guys, we are live. Now, I want to tell you a lot of things I say on here is going to be, of course, my own opinion, but I would also like to come with facts sometimes. That's what my mom said, come with the facts. My mom said, get the source. I've always liked to come with the facts, but she wants me to get the source from whatever facts I have. And of course, that source should have facts. But I tell you what, guys, this has been an exciting week. And it's really been an exciting full month for me dealing with this AI. So today I'm going to talk about the AI wars. And we're going to look at some of the top AI companies. I'm here in the bedroom. You can see a few things behind me. Don't worry about all that. One day I'll get back downstairs. I just haven't felt like going back downstairs because I got better lighting and everything. So it's kind of a darker. The light's pretty much behind me. But anyway, I want to get into this, guys. AI Wars is the title here. But obviously, we know that Google is the king. You know, Google's the king when it comes to search, AI, and so many things. I'm here on an Alphabet Google product, you know, and that's how I'm reaching you right now. So we know they are the king when it comes to a lot of things. And there are some contenders, but I don't think there'll be another champion. Now, like they say, you might win the battle, but if it was a war, a real war, it's Google. So before I get started, I also want to I'm going to start doing this thing on Friday where I come up with interesting facts. And this is an interesting fact here. I get little news stories coming up on my phone, and I search them, check them out, go to ChatGPT. I'm on 3.5 today because I tell you, ChatGPT 4 is slower, and I don't really like the flow of the slow. So there you go. Flow of the slow. There you go. By the way, I'm gonna let you hear the ChatGPT poem. But yeah, I'm gonna continue to use ChatGPT 3.5 mostly because it's better to me. But anyway, let's get with this information here. A little known fact, and let's start right now.
What in character was removed from the alphabet? There hasn't been a character that was officially removed from the modern English alphabet. However, there was a letter called thorn that was used in Old English and Middle English to represent the TH sound. It looked like a stylized letter P with a line through the ascender. Thorn was eventually replaced by the digraph TH, which represents the same sound in modern English. Another letter that is sometimes considered to have been removed from the alphabet is the ampersand, and, although it is still used today, it was traditionally considered to be the 27th letter of the alphabet and was often included at the end of the alphabet song as X, Y, Z, and per se and. Over time, this phrase was slurred together into ampersand. 1. 0. Explain per se. Per se is a Latin term that is commonly used in English to mean in and of itself or by itself. It is often used to clarify that something is being considered independently of other factors or conditions. For example, if someone says, I don't have a problem with dogs per se, but I'm allergic to them, they mean that they don't have an issue with dogs specifically, but their allergy to dogs is a separate issue. Another example could be, I don't think that being rich per se makes you happy. This sentence implies that while being rich may have some correlation with happiness, it is not the only or the most important factor that determines happiness.
So I'm going to stop it right there, guys. So that's a little known fact. I didn't know we had a 27th letter of the alphabet. Now let's get to why we're here. The AI wars, man. The AI Star Wars. And I'm going to play this here, and then we're going to read a little bit some of the top companies. Let's go here.
100 Top Artificial Intelligence, AI, Companies in 2023. Home AI. By James McGuire.
February 2nd, 2023.
As artificial intelligence, AI, has become a growing force in business, today's top AI companies are leaders in this emerging technology. Often leveraging cloud computing and edge computing, AI companies mix and match various technologies to meet and exceed use case expectations in the home, the workplace, and the greater community. Machine learning, ML, leads the pack in this realm, but today's leading AI firms are expanding their capabilities through other technologies, from predictive analytics to business intelligence, BI, to data warehouse tools to the deep learning, DL, segment of AI, alleviating several industry pain points. To help organizations keep up with the AI market, see this breakdown of top companies playing a key role in shaping the future of AI by industry.
So there you go, guys. Right there. It looks like they're going to give us a top 100. And I've glanced at the list. And just like I said when I came on here, boom, right there. Google. A leader in AI and data analytics. So I don't think there's ever a competition who's going to be the king. But I know OpenAI is doing a great run right now. I mean, they've changed the world, and like I said, I use this every day. I've asked at least 400 questions. Not a lot on ChatGPT 4, but I've asked at least 400, maybe even 500 questions. And then look at this list. I'm not going to read too much of this list, but IBM has always been a top contender and everything. Amazon, okay, Amazon Web Services, but let's go all the way down. And this was February 2nd now, so this is a month ago. All the way down to number 80 on this list. And like my mom said, you want to get the source, but this was on the top of Google's search engine once I put it there. So I would imagine it might have some clout. But OpenAI is a nonprofit research firm that operates under open source type of model. So I mean, they're a prince. And they're doing some great things now, and they're winning a battle, and everybody loves them. But they won't win the war. That's going to be Google. In my email today, I got this. It's like Google wants you to remember what they did, and so I clicked on that, and let's listen to this next thing here.
The next generation of AI for developers and Google Workspace.
March 14th, 2023.
3-minute read. We're bringing the power of generative AI to developers and businesses through Google Cloud and Maker Suite. And we're introducing new AI-powered features in Google Workspace. Thomas Kurian, CEO, Google Cloud. Share. Google has been investing in AI for many years and bringing its benefits to individuals, businesses, and communities. Whether it's publishing, state-of-the-art research, building helpful products, or developing tools and resources that enable others, we're committed to making AI accessible to everyone. We're now at a pivotal moment in our AI journey. Breakthroughs in generative AI are fundamentally changing how people interact with technology, and at Google, we've been responsibly developing large language models so we can safely bring them to our products. Today, we're excited to share our early progress. Developers and businesses can now try new APIs and products that make it easy, safe, and scalable to start building with Google's best AI models through Google Cloud and a new prototyping environment called Maker Suite. And in Google Workspace, we're introducing new features that help people harness the power of generative AI to create, connect, and collaborate. Palm API and Maker Suite, an approachable way to explore and prototype with generative AI applications. So many technology and platform shifts, from mobile to cloud computing, have inspired entire ecosystems of developers to start new businesses, imagine new products, and transform how they create. We're in the midst of another shift with AI that is having a profound effect on every industry. For developers who are experimenting with AI, we're introducing the Palm API, an easy and safe way to build on top of our best language models. Today, we're making an efficient model available in terms of size and capabilities, and we'll add other sizes soon. The API also comes with an intuitive tool called Maker Suite, which lets you quickly prototype ideas and, over time, will have features for prompt engineering, synthetic data generation, and custom model tuning, all supported by robust safety tools. Select developers can access the Palm API and Maker Suite in private preview today, and stay tuned for our waitlist soon. Bringing generative AI capabilities to Google Cloud. For developers who want to build and customize their own models and apps using generative AI, they can access Google's AI models, including PaLM, on Google Cloud. We're bringing new generative AI capabilities to our Google Cloud AI portfolio to help developers and organizations access enterprise-level safety, security, privacy, as well as integrate with their existing cloud solutions. Generative AI support in Vertex AI. Developers and businesses already use Google Cloud's Vertex AI platform to build and deploy machine learning models and AI applications at scale. We are now providing foundation models, initially for generating text and images, and over time with audio and video. Google Cloud customers will have the ability to discover models, create and modify prompts, fine-tune them with their own data, and deploy applications that use these powerful new technologies. Generative AI App Builder.
It's fun. I'm sorry, guys. I've been talking and my mic has been off. Sorry about that. So, yeah, hopefully you've been following me. Talked about some of the things that I've used and some of my go-to programs, and then I got to my images. But back to this guy's image. These are AI, and as they were just talking about AI and things that Google's doing with video and images, it's just going to be an incredible thing. I definitely want to build in this field, and although I have millions of images and content, pieces of content, at least 2 million, but I mean, my stuff doesn't come close to something that's made so easy. You know, I have some iconic images, but it doesn't come close to this, and definitely wasn't made as easy. So I definitely want to get into this. So let's get back to this here.
Businesses and governments also want to build their own AI-powered chat interfaces and digital assistants. To enable this, we are introducing Generative AI App Builder, which connects conversational AI flows with out-of-the-box search experiences and foundation models, helping companies build generative AI applications in minutes or hours. New AI partnerships and programs. In addition to announcing new Google Cloud AI products, we're also committed to being the most open cloud provider. We're expanding our AI ecosystem and specialized programs for technology partners, AI-focused software providers, and startups. Starting today, Trusted testers are accessing Vertex AI with generative AI support and generative AI app builder. New generative AI features in Workspace. More than 3 billion people already benefit from AI-powered features in Google Workspace, whether it's using Smart Compose in Gmail or auto-generated summaries in Google Docs. Now, we're excited to take the next step and bring a limited set of trusted testers a new set of features that makes the process of writing even easier. In Gmail and Google Docs, you can simply type in a topic you'd like to write about, and a draft will be instantly generated for you.
Wow.
So if you're a manager onboarding a new employee, Workspace saves you the time and effort involved in writing that first welcome email. From there, you can elaborate upon or abbreviate the message or adjust the tone to be more playful or professional, all in just a few clicks. We'll be rolling out these new experiences to testers in the coming weeks. Generative AI in Docs helping to write a job description. Scaling AI responsibly. Generative AI is an emerging and rapidly evolving technology with complex challenges. That's why we invite external and internal testers to pressure test new experiences, and why we have AI principles to guide this work. These principles also serve as an ongoing commitment to our customers worldwide who rely on our products to build and grow their businesses safely with AI. Our goal is to continue to be bold and responsible in our approach and partner with others to improve our AI models so they're safe and helpful for everyone. We're so excited by the potential of generative AI and the opportunities it will unlock, from helping people express themselves creatively, to helping developers build brand new types of applications, to transforming how businesses and governments engage their customers and constituents. Stay tuned for more to come in the weeks and months ahead. Posted in AI Google Cloud Google Workspace. About the author, Thomas Kurian, CEO, Google Cloud.
And look at this. I mean, it's everything. Everything you want to do is here. So it's going to be hard for OpenAI to be the king. And it's going to be a mixture of kings, as you see. Google Cloud, IBM, Alibaba Cloud, Amazon Web Service Cloud. And they're all doing their part. Microsoft is there, you know. So let's move on to this article here by Bing. And I mean, not by Bing, but about Bing. About a bit Bing. There you go. And hit it.
February 15th, 2022.
This is actually
4-minute read. For ways to avoid disruption during digital transformation. Treating...
I want to hold on that one. Let's see. We're done with that one. Bing said. Okay, you know what? I may not have got that ready, but I'm going to get it ready, so bear with me while I am grabbing this. I thought this was interesting. Again, everybody's coming out. Talking about their AI products. Being said to remove waitlists for its GPT-4 powered chat. So let's see what that's talking about. And then I saw another service come out, and of course, Jasper's being promoted now a lot. Well, it's been being promoted now, but you know, I think they're doing the free version because they want to get onto some of this. Let's see here. Some of this wave, this open AI wave. Okay, let's go here.
Microsoft's Bing is enjoying the spotlight for the first time in a decade after it released a GPT-powered interface last month. But the tech giant has so far been cautious about the pace at which it is making the new Bing offering, powered by OpenAI's GPT-4 tech, available to users. But it appears Bing is bringing those walls down. Microsoft, a major investor in OpenAI, appears to have lifted the waitlist from the new Bing, ostensibly allowing anyone to gain instant access to the new experience. Windows Central, which first spotted this change, said users don't have to wait to try out the new Bing anymore. TechCrunch tested this with a few email IDs, both new and old, and got access instantly. However, not all email IDs we tested got access instantly. Image credits, screenshot by TechCrunch. While the new Bing's landing page still shows the typical join the waitlist button, you can sign in and get access instantly. The company didn't specify if they are getting rid of the waitlist entirely, but in a statement, Microsoft said that it is running various experiments to onboard more users. During this preview period, we are running various tests which may accelerate access to the new Bing for some users. We remain in preview and you can sign up at Bing.com, a Microsoft spokesperson said. Microsoft is holding an event called Reinvent Productivity with AI later Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time.
Okay, that's over.
While today's agenda is limited to introducing AI-powered tools for Microsoft 356, Office, and Dynamic 365, the company's Salesforce competitor, it won't be surprising if there is an announcement.
But there you go, guys. It's on. Everybody is bringing out the AI-powered chats and chat bots. And there is a war going on, but who's going to win? I'm going to play this because it says 4 ways to avoid disruption. And then we're going to get ready to get out of here in about the next 10 minutes. But let's listen to this.
February 15th, 2022. 4-minute read. 4 ways to avoid disruption during digital transformation. Treating IT modernization and business transformation as separate efforts risks mounting technical debt and abandoning business plans. When they work in unison, organizations can move faster with meaningful change. Digital leaders that create true partnerships between business and technology stakeholders and treat IT modernization and digital transformation as efforts that occur simultaneously, not one after the other, are more likely to optimize ROI of digital transformation initiatives. Savvy leaders understand the importance of the symbiotic relationship between digital transformation and IT modernization. But for decades, the idea of IT serving the business was an afterthought. Likewise, business leaders were making critical decisions without any input from IT. The result? Loads of technology debt and abandoned business plans. History is a great teacher, but it's also prone to repeating itself. We're already seeing the need for accelerated transformation tempting organizations into implementing point solutions that can lead to a Frankensteining of tools that inevitably ends in technical debt and crushes progress. Transformation is about efficiency, agility, and adopting fresh thinking to tap into new market or revenue streams. Or, better yet, both. How do you do it? To start, take note of how other successful transformational leaders drive success. Then, you'll need to start aligning the business and IT interests to establish priorities, vision, and outcomes. But let's get more tactical with the strategies transformation leaders can use to align business and technology to more fluidly facilitate IT modernization and digital transformation in unison. Build trust. Aligning business and technology leaders around a unified view of value is key to business transformation. Critical to that effort is trust. Among other benefits, teams that operate from a foundation of trust, according to Patrick Lencioni's The 5 Dysfunctions of a Team, are comfortable asking for help, admitting mistakes and limitations, and taking risks offering feedback. Avoid wasting time talking about the wrong issues and revisiting the same topics over and over again because of lack of buy-in. Make higher quality decisions and accomplish more in less time and fewer resources. Align the team around common objectives. Trust stems from being vulnerable and empathetic with others. Listening to understand the goals, needs, and challenges of the business or IT can help establish a trusting relationship that will work to your benefit the rest of the way. Think iteratively. Align teams that trust each other and share goals also benefit from sharing wins. The more wins, the more validated the relationship. The more validated the relationship, the more momentum gained to continue toward transformation. Consider the flywheel effect from another favorite business book of ours, Good to Great by Jim Collins. No matter how dramatic the end result, good to great transformations never happen in one fell swoop. Rather, the process resembles relentlessly pushing a giant, heavy flywheel, turn upon turn, building momentum until a point of breakthrough, and beyond. Iterative wins and organizational momentum also help justify future investment in IT modernization and digital transformation to boards and other stakeholders. Embrace change. Digital transformation impacts the entire organization. Processes that are ingrained in the business may need to be abandoned. Teams may need to be restructured. Mistakes may be made along the way. Addressing challenges or setbacks can be a complex process, but the key to success is understanding and preparing for the challenges that inevitably lie ahead. An agile approach affords checkpoints for both IT and business stakeholders to evaluate and determine if they are adequately supporting and enabling each other. Then collectively, transformation leaders can assess whether the path taken is appropriate or needs updating. Act relentlessly. As soon as you believe you are transformed, you are in a state of stagnation and risk being disrupted by the same market forces or competitors that compelled you to change quickly in the first place. Digital transformation is not about an end state. It's about a never-ending state. Your leadership teams should be relentless about developing pragmatic roadmaps that prioritize the digital tools that provide the highest impact to the business without creating a stumbling block for future scalability. Conclusion. Organizations undergoing or considering digital transformation were already behind the proverbial 8-ball. A bevy of statistics show most of these efforts fail to deliver desired outcomes or stall completely. Going faster only adds barriers and lowers the odds of success. Traditional methods of transformation that treat IT modernization and business transformation separately aren't able to keep up. Aligning business and technology stakeholders to unify IT modernization and digital transformation efforts will allow your company to swiftly meet the needs of your employees and customers and keep you resilient to disruption moving forward.
And there you go, guys. I mean, this is just some information I wanted to throw in there because of my title. But you're not going to really avoid disruption. But this is some good information. Just be ready. Like they said somewhere in here, embrace the change. And that's what we got to do. Embrace the change. Now, let me show you some more that lets me know that Google is the king. I didn't know they were doing so much with AI, and I guess we should know, but I didn't know they were doing that much. Look at this here.
Tell me about Google Maps. Google Maps is a web-based mapping and navigation service developed by Google. It offers a range of features, including maps, satellite imagery, street maps, real-time traffic conditions, and route planning for walking, cycling, driving, and public transportation. The platform uses a combination of satellite imagery, aerial photography, and data from local governments and other sources to create maps that are detailed, accurate, and up-to-date. Users can access maps and directions from any device with an internet connection, including desktops, laptops, smartphones, and tablets. In addition to basic mapping and navigation features, Google Maps also offers a range of other services, such as business listings, user reviews, and ratings, and the ability to save and share favorite locations with others. It also provides real-time traffic updates and suggestions for alternate routes, helping users avoid traffic jams and arrive at their destination faster. Google Maps also provides location-based advertising services to businesses, allowing them to target potential customers based on their search history and location data. This has made it a valuable marketing tool for businesses of all sizes. Overall, Google Maps has become an essential tool for navigation and travel, providing users with accurate and reliable information about their surroundings and helping them navigate their way through cities and towns around the world. What forms of AI does Google Maps use on this platform? Google Maps uses a variety of AI-powered technologies to improve its platform and provide a better user experience. Here are some examples. Machine learning. Google Maps uses machine learning algorithms to improve its location accuracy, predict traffic congestion, and provide more personalized recommendations to users based on their search and location history. Natural language processing, NLP. Google Maps uses NLP to understand user queries and provide more relevant search results. For example, if a user searches for coffee shops near me, the platform will use NLP to understand the intent behind the query and return a list of nearby coffee shops. Computer vision. Google Maps uses computer vision to extract information from street view images, such as road signs, building facades, and storefronts. This helps the platform identify businesses and landmarks more accurately. Big data analytics. Google Maps uses big data analytics to process and analyze massive amounts of geospatial data, including real-time traffic data, satellite imagery, and user-generated content such as reviews and photos. These AI-powered technologies help Google Maps provide accurate directions, real-time traffic updates, and personalized recommendations to users, making it one of the most popular mapping and navigation platforms in the world. Please explain the Google Local Guide program. The Google Local Guides program is a community.
All right, so there you go, guys. I just wanted you to hear that again. All the AI that's been going on 5, 10, maybe 15 years. So, I mean, there you go. All right, thank you for being here. Make sure you stay tuned and check out my video. If you want to see the rest of that video, make sure you go to the page, videos, images, pictures, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We going live. We staying live, guys. And don't worry about it. We'll get back to ChatGPT 4. It's just, it's not giving me everything I want. But it is doing it, guys. It's definitely making waves. Making waves. All right, it's Greg Reese from VIP Guide. Thank you very much.